Ka kabinet jang sarkar pedeng kala approve lani a ya ka jimunjur ya ka jing a jumut jang ram Covid committee nam ta ka one nation one election. Ka jing thumu bokong san jang ka one nation one election ka deban penlong no tang ya ka wai ka election nam ta ka MP election bat ka MLA election. Nalor kata marsendep ka MP bat MLA election hapo shispa sngi an pelong pat ya ki wai ki local election kum ki municipal election, panchayat election, but MDC election. Tungi pej, ye ki jingmentoy lane ki advantages, but ki jingtko lane ki disadvantages jong one nation, one election. Ki jingmentoy jong one nation, one election. Kabanengkong, ka jingtuna jinglut. Ka jingpelut namta ban pelong election ha India, kapoy digi po hajar keluar tengka. Tang haka election Lok Sabha hajar rapsaw, kajing pelut pisa kalapoy digi lak keluar tengka. Kumta, dalong election tang gaway, kanyarap an penduna, ya kajing pelut, ya kapisa ba. Kamaar, kajing bun kibriyo bunwan tap vote, lani high voters turnout. Dalong election tang gaway, kajing wan kibriyo ban tap vote, kan kiub ha, namar bun kibriyo kinwan bej ban tap vote, namanta UMLA ka konstitusi lajong. Kabalay, kimat election lani ki election manifesto kin kamyar, kiseng san partai kin kampenyar bat penbuon ya kimat election, kin hap kuntup shibun ki agenda lani jingkular election bay day bat karoy kapar jong jela bat ru ki policy trikam ladawan hakabor. Kapasaw, kasorkar kan kamyo por man fokus lani ban pelit jingmut hakaroy kapar bat kiway ki jingdon kam bakarki jongkari. Kajinglong election keri-keri kapendeko ya kajing petrikam ya ki skim sarkar namar batrikam ka model code of conduct. Nalor kata ki menteri sarkar ru ki bun kam bat lap miet ban lej yelap election syakijela. Tungnya pitpat ya ki jingteko lani ki disadvantages jong one nation one election. Kebenengkong logistic challenge lani ki jing ban pengkre election. Ban pelong tang kawai election ha India kamlong ka basuk. Ban penbiang yaki polling personnel ban penya election, ban penbiang yaki security personnel ban pej ya kasuk kasan por election, bat penbiang yaki EVM machine kamdai ka basuk. Kabaar, ki state specific issue lani kimat bakhamdon kam bat long kerpang tang namta kawai ke jela kin sya telep no haki national issue lani ki issue badai jongkarihi berokawai. Kabalay, kan kata ya ka federal structure jongkari, ka one nation one election kan kata ya ka federal structure lani ka jenglong kerpang kijela. Ya ki India lapenlong da ka jing senrop kijela lani Union of States. Ka one nation one election kan pentron no ya ka jenglong kerpang kijela. Kabasaw, political instability. Dadan kanu ka jing klem sarkar ha kanu ka jela an ha penlong biang hi ka election. Kumta ka one nation one election kam don jingmut lada ha penlong election biang kat ba klem sarkar. Kabasan constitutional amendment. Ka sarkar pedeng kan ha penkala lani amend ya ka constitution ban pen urlong ya ka one nation one election. Kamdai ka basuk banyo special majority ban penkala ya ka constitution. Kabanriyo, confusion to voters. Kinong tap vote, kinong confuse, hakapor ba tap vote. Kinomla ban penyaper, yaki local but national issue. Kinom nang ban shim, yaka raik ba scam, kaba kat kumkumon jongki. Ban penurlong yaka one nation, one election, don kam shibun kijing penkala, lani ki amendment yaka constitution. Ban penkala yaka constitution, don kam pat yaka special majority. Ka special majority kadai ka jimunjur hadu ar na kilay benta jong gidkhot ka parliament. Bat ka jimunjur kamday banduna ya ka jimunjur jong aspa nyufu arngut gidkhot ka parliament. Nalor kata don kam ya ka jimunjur jong shiteng gijela hakari India. Kamamut ka South League jela kidai banmanjur ya ka amendment. Ka sarkar katemu pemara ya ka bill one nation one election haka winter session lani ka dorbar tlang. Kapor hi kan matay la ka jing thumu ka sarkar pedeng nam ta ka one nation one election kan urlong ne em khuble shibun ba pi pe ye ka ni ka video sumha ban like but comment khuble shibun